All right, let me tell you this right now. You've won a prize. Congratulations. Okay, I'm going to tell you what that prize is. Whether you're a random person who found me or you're one of my lovely subscribers, thank you, 1,000+ subscribers. Keep that number, 1,000+ subscribers, in your head, because what I'm going to tell you is the prize you've won is simply based on the fact that no one's talking about Cardano Crocs, who actually has hundreds of thousands or millions of followers, right? No one knows me, and because they don't know me, they won't know about this project, which gives you a chance to do your own research. And if you do your own research on this project, you will probably have more Cardano, if you're doing Cardano, or more perceived value than if you were not to listen to this video. And it's very simple. This project's got great fundamentals. If you look at the fundamentals on the Discord, it has like planned 8 phases, and in phase 7 there's going to be passive income. In phase 2 there's going to be burning to create rarity, and not only that, you're going to get a guarantee to get a higher rarity and or special ability Cardano Croc. Okay, and the other thing too is that in this roadmap, there's also going to be a private Discord, and I'm hoping that in that private Discord, I can ask more questions and be more motivated to develop a game that I'm working on. So all this stuff looks really good. The fundamentals look good. If you're interested in this project just from that, there's a link below. Click that link, say hi to me, Title Pending, or just say hi to anyone in the community. It's a great community. If you want more, let me tell you the details of this fun social battle royale game that I have been playing with other players, which is just like playing in the Squid Game. It's fantastic, okay? Except there's not going to be one winner. 500 of us will survive. What will we survive? Well, we've already endured the psychological torment that Sean Benson has been pushing on us like a twisted Saw movie of getting like invites, people to give us invite credit, getting us to get upvotes from each other, and forcing us to type to survive in this game. I'm kidding about that, but it does feel like the Squid Game if you're into that. So here's the thing, is that the 500 players will get a special pre-sale access. And with that pre-sale access, they will get the lowest cost of entry into the NFTs. And each one of these NFTs will more than likely double in perceived value in a couple of days after release. I'm serious. It more than likely is going to double in perceived value in a couple of days. And it wouldn't be a battle royale if there wasn't a one-player win. That one player who does win will get the super rare Croc. I think I know this guy. Good luck to him. He's a nice dude. Second and third place is going to be there because no one's getting shot in the head. No one is dying in real life. This is not a real-life Squid Game. They're going to get a wonderful free Croc, okay? Given all that, if you're wondering, is it too late for me to play or get into it? Well, looking at 2 days ago and roughly today at some point, there isn't like a lot of people jumping in as far as members, right? Moreover, here's the thing is that, not everyone is active. My friend came in, she, did her thing. She gave me an upvote. And then after that, she was kind of one and done. She's not going to help me out, or she's not really going to participate, okay? And then there's me today. You know what? I've been just typing away. You can actually play this on your phone. And I've actually gone up to be number 9, which is kind of cool. There is a network effect that you have to consider. Sean Benson is kind of the face of this project. If you don't know Sean Benson, he's not a crazy TikToker telling you to buy the dip for no reason. He actually explains his rationale and his research behind things. So given that, he's pretty much a smart person. He's a smart person, and a smart person in this whole NFT crypto thing. Why do you need to listen to smart people? Here's my investor thesis, okay? Unless you're doing an Alex Becker, you listen to smart people, you see what they're doing. I think that's his advice, Alex Becker's advice. Like Jack Ingram, okay? Jack Ingram, he knew more about the space and NFTs, and so what he ended up doing is he created Stickfrix. I bought Stickfrix from Jack Ingram, okay, and I'm up in perceived value. The 3 fricks I have are either plus 20 to 800 ADA. That's pretty awesome, okay? So I'm already up in perceived value based just on his numbers. Of course, if I really followed Jack Ingram, I would probably have $250,000 worth of NFTs, but I digress. So given my investor thesis, if this is correct, Sean Benson is smart about this stuff, has more subscribers, this should be a more highly valued project. Now, with all that said, the community is nice. That's a big factor. You can talk about Crocs. You can talk about crypto. There hasn't been any jerks in it. It's multi-project supported, so you can talk about any type of crypto or NFT project. With that free speech, though, there has been some dissent in the community about 100 ADA being too much. Some people think it is too much. But again, we've talked about the rarity and utility. It looks good. There's going to be planned games if this actually blows up. So I'm really excited about what could happen with this project. But there are some red flags. Like, who the heck is the lead artist? I like to know who the lead artist is. There might be some announcement, maybe, of who the heck the lead artist is coming up. But that's basically, I feel, who the heck is this lead artist, okay? Someone tell me. And if you know the lead artist, that could bring more value to the project. The other thing, of course, is we don't know who the heck is on the team actually right now, so that's a big red flag. But a lot of us are basically staying for our personal Lord and Savior, Sean Benson, on this project. Okay, that's the thing. Because, again, he does really smart content, okay? If I've excited you about this project, or you still have questions, or you want to read things for yourself that I've shown in this video in more depth, there's a link below. Click it, and say hi to me, or say hi to more people in the community. Again, it's a wonderful place, okay? I will be doing more UFO content, UFO gaming content, and I will be doing other projects out there that I'm interested in, and I want to read them a little bit, if not fully, because I know it's hard to read these things. I know it's hard to understand these things, but I want to help everyone out there who may be struggling to understand why this stuff is so great or why it's so amazing, okay? Hope to see you in the next one. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, join this Discord of Sean's, and I hope to see you in that Discord. Bye.